Hello and welcome to FM Review.
I like that mouse.
Huh?
I like that mouse.
Oh, well, since you like the mouse, hold on. Since you like the mouse.
God damn it, somebody's got some buttons on it. Look at that.
Yeah, since you like the mouse.
What the hell are you doing on that?
That's a gamer's mouse.
Yeah, since you like the mouse, check that out.
Oh shit.
See that?
That's a keyboard. That's a gamer's keyboard, I imagine. That comes with the mouse.
Huh?
It goes along with the mouse.
Let me turn the parrot off because it likes to repeat everything we say.
Oh shit. That is awesome.
Whoa.
Check that keyboard out. Metal keys.
Let me see. Those
That
are
is
hard
awesome.
to find.
How much did this one cost?
$130.
Woo!
What is it?
They don't do anything, but
They're
they
just
have
lights.
lights. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can light them up. When you press the number lock, the key.
I like that.
It looks like it'd be comfortable to type
It
on.
is.
Well, I
It's
was gonna say,
mechanical key.
I like the,
Yeah, it's a mechanical keyboard with different switches inside.
yeah, I would like that for work. Just
Yeah, it's
because
a
it
classic.
seems like it would be easier to.
And the raised keys
yeah.
too.
Try to type your name in it. Type your name in it. Type your name. You want to see how fast I can type my name?
With one hand.
Yep.
The real surprise is when you plug it in.
And go.
Good deal. All right. Yeah, go ahead and plug it into the keyboard. I mean, plug the keyboard into the.
Oh.
Oh, we can plug this into our.
Yeah,
this
it'll
will
work
plug
on
into
any USB.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I like having our USB mouse. That one you gave me that had the programmable buttons on it, the Microsoft IntelliMouse.
Yeah.
Oh, we use it all the time.
Okay.
Where's your USB?
It's on the side. Yeah, that's it right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Look at that.
That's awesome.
Do it again.
That is cool as shit. Every time you press a button, it does that.
Yeah.
I want to see.
Wait. Yeah, it just lights up.
Mm-hmm.
Lay it on my lap.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Let me try to spell your name. I'm not used to your name.
Your name. REMI. 4 little letters. There you go. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I like the keyboard. It's pretty cool.
It's got different patterns you can cycle through. There's some of the. Let me see how you do it. You can change.
Here.
You can change. You can change. You can change. Where is it at? Titles.
It looks like you're going to be the first one to simulcast again.
Oh, I get to sign your cast. I can do that, no problem.
My hand's even smaller now.
Function and INS. It's somewhere over along the key
Function
line.
INS.
It's somewhere over there.
Oh,
among the-
insert.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
You
cool.
can cycle through different patterns.
Look at this one.
I don't like that. I like that. Do that one.
I guess this just turns it off. Oh yeah, look. This does around the one you press.
Do that one. I want to go.
No, it just lights up for a little amount of time, I guess. Yeah. It like leaves a trail of where you pressed. That's pretty cool.
Which one is that?
It does a spiral.
Oh, it circles around it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like that one too. I think there's 8 different patterns that it goes in.
Here, Daddy, if you go on the painting side, you can just click and you just type in stuff.
Yeah, I think I like that one's pretty cool.
Where it lights up the keys around it.
Uh-huh.
I like that one too. Cause it'd be good in a dark room.
Yeah, and I like the trail one too.
I want to see.
That's the spiral.
That's to press this.
That's a heavy ass keyboard. Don't look like it moved too much.
So press
It's made of aluminum and plastic.
Wait.
And
Nope.
you change it?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Like a ripple in a pond.
Yeah, I like that. The ripple effect on it.
Yeah, this thing right here is badass. Oh, it is ergonomic too.
Yeah. And it's a wide format, so you can kind of rest your entire hand over it.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it'd be a lot better.
Mm-hmm.